Hey guys, it's Krishanti with Krishanti.com, bringing you weekly videos about psychic development and spiritual and personal growth and relationships. And this week, the topic is about angels. I've made a few videos about them, but one of my favorite clients who I've known for quite a long time now, Chris, asked me to just keep talking about angels because she loves to hear about them, and that's great energy, so why not? And by the way, if you're new to this channel, please hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like to, as I do new videos every week, and I'd love to hear from you and see you here and become a part of all of this. I strongly believe that the more of us who focus on this and talk about it and believe in it, especially when it comes to psychic development, which a lot of people don't think is possible for everybody to do, but I know from firsthand experience it is, the better. I think it's kind of the general direction we're going in our evolution as humans, kind of awakening to these gifts and abilities that we all have access to. So on to angels. What I'd like to say first and foremost is, when you're in a clairvoyant space, which you can achieve by meditating, and there's certain things you can do to get yourself into that vibrational place and activate that ability. But when you're in that clairvoyant space and you're reading somebody and they have angelic energy around them, you absolutely see it. And the first time this was apparent to me was when I was working with somebody in another country, and I didn't know anything about her except for her name, her first name. And I tuned into her and I saw the most gorgeous yellows, pinks, blues, greens, and golds, like the most beautiful colors. And I said, my God, there's so much gorgeous energy all around you. And she laughed and she said, you don't know what I do you? And it's like, no. And she said she was an angel healer, and she works with angels to deliver messages to people and to do energy healings and everything. And that angelic energy was very clear and very present. And what I would say is, if you're looking to strengthen your connection to angels, all you really have to do is call on them and ask them to be with you, and make it a priority and think about it often, or start your day with it. Different times during the day, ask them to come to you. At night, ask them to help you in your dreams, in the dream state. And what you'll notice, if you do pay attention, is that you'll start to see signs and synchronicities related to angels coming to you. For example, last week I was strengthening my connection to angelic presences, and I was asking angels to come forward and to give me signs. And I was picking my son up from school, and we were walking to the car, and I looked down and there was a ticket to this thing in downtown LA called Angel's Flight. And I thought, oh my God, how funny. Like, it would be right there where I'm walking. Some little kid dropped it from over the weekend or whatever, and here it is, Angel's Flight. But what a beautiful sign to appear right in front of me. And angels love to do that. They love to give you things that you can easily recognize. They're the easiest energy to connect with, and they really do come through. I've seen it time and time again. Signs and synchronicities that you almost wouldn't believe, that they're so incredible. And if you'd like to take this practice a step further, you can have a journal, like an angel journal, and you can document, you can petition certain angels, or you can just ask whatever angel is best for you to come through, and then you can document the signs that you get and that you see and that you receive. And this could be anything from, license plates, cars getting right in front of you with an amazing message on the license plate or on the bumper sticker, or messages delivered to you through other people. But it's like an angel kind of taking over and like speaking through that person. It happens. Sometimes angels do manifest in physical form, and I haven't, that I'm aware of, really seen that firsthand, but it does happen. I've heard lots of stories about that. So be prepared for that to happen too, and ask them to help you with whatever you need help with, because they will. They're very, very real. And that about sums it up for today. I really just wanted to share that angel sign too. That was so cool, seeing angels flight. And I think I'm going to probably start my own documentation of the signs and things that I receive, because they're amazing. So before I wrap up, if you've had experiences with angels or angelic energy or angel signs, I'd love to hear what you have to say. So if you could put that in the comments below, that would be so awesome. As I said before, like the more of us tuning into this too, like collective energy, the more we bring them closer to us collectively. So it's really awesome the way all of that works. So thank you so much for watching, and that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye.